What is going on, everybody? This is Arshad Samir. Welcome to the third Java JDBC tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide a connection with the help of JDBC driver. So as you can see, we have successfully created a database and a table which is known as salespeople. So let's switch to the Eclipse. So yeah, just right click on the source file, new class. Now we need to provide a name for this class. I'm going to give it as database connection. Just click on the finish button. Easy enough so far. JDBC API is defined in the java.sql package, and this JDBC API has some key classes which we need to import in order to play with the database. So we can do anything and everything with database. So let's see what are the key classes which we need to import. The first one is java.sql.driver manager. So let's import it. Import java.sql.driver manager. And the second one is connection. Import java.sql.connection. And the third one is import java.sql.statement. Yeah, there we go. Import. The fourth one is import java.sql.resultSet. Is enough so far. Now, as you can see, we have imported these 4 classes. Now let's type the main method. String args, and yeah, there we go. And we need to keep in mind 4 things to interact with this database. The first one is we need to get a connection. So get connection. And the second one is we need to create a statement. And the third one is we need to execute the SQL query. Execute query, SQL query. And the fourth one is we need to get the result set. Now let's see how to get a connection. We need to put a try catch. Yeah, and now we need to create an object for this connection class that we imported right here. As you can see, here we have imported. So let's create an object for this connection class. Now we need to get a connection. So driver manager dot get connection. Now we need to provide a URL like, yeah, let's start to type it, JDBC colon mysql and colon /localhost colon 06, and my database name is, let's see what is the name of my database. Here, as you can see, JDBC tutorial. This is my database. Just copy the name of our database, copy and paste right here. Now we need to give the username and the password so that this URL can enter to that database. Just give my username is root and my password is 9898. Yeah. Now we need to create an object for the statement so that we can execute any queries. So let's start to create a create an object for this statement. So what I'm going to do is that just do right here and create statement. I'm going to create a statement object. Statement st is the object. So in order to get it, copy the object of the connection, paste it, dot create statement. Yeah, there we go. Now we have created an object for this statement. Now we need to execute query and hold the result in the result set. So what I'm going to do, just cut it, and I'm going to create an object for result set. Rs equals this object, copy, paste, dot execute query here. Now you can put whatever the query you want. Now we need to run a while loop in order to get the result row by row from the table. So let's put the while loop and rs dot next. If the rs dot next is there, if any results is there, then it's gonna come inside the while loop, and we can do whatever we need inside the while loop if the results is there. And system dot out, I'm simply going to print out the result. Yeah, and now let's put a query and let's try to execute that query. Before that, I wanna type one more thing, and after getting the connection, just print a statement. Print a statement like out dot print line connection successful. Yeah, there we go. And let's switch to the database. I'm gonna show you how to create a statement. Here salespeople, and after that, as you can see, this is our table. Just click on to the SQL, and we are going to get the entire table. So just click on the select button. So it's gonna generate it's gonna generate a code for us, and no need these things. This is what we need. Select everything from salespeople. Just copy this statement, switch to the Eclipse, just paste right here. And I need to say one more thing. This is very important. We need to know about these rows. Here, as you can see, if I click the structure, my ID is an integer, S name is watch a string, city is a string, and commission is or a decimal or whatever it is you can. And what I'm going to do is that rs dot get int, I'm going to get an integer, the column name. It should be same as whatever inside the database table. So the second one is rs dot get string. This is the s name, sorry, get string. The name is s name. Make sure this is same as whatever the inside the table. And the third one is rs dot get string, is because the city is also a string, and I'm going to print it out. How I give is city, I think is enough so far. And the last one is rs dot get float. I think commission. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's embarrassing, man. Just plus. Yeah, let's give an space so it will be looking nice. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. is enough so far. Just save and let's run the program. Yeah guys, there we go. As you can see, connection successful. This is what this statement, and it has printed all the entire table for us. The first row is one Robert London and Smith New York, Jackson London. Yeah, that's what happening. So this is what for this tutorial. And before I let you guys go, I need to tell one thing here. Don't forget to give all the columns name or whatever according to your query. You need to provide the columns whatever you want. So don't forget, it should be same as right here, id, sname, sct, com. Yeah, that's what for this tutorial guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my next tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.